AICC has promptly formed a 5-member committee 2 months back, that in the month of December, to hold election talks with DMK. It's been 2 months since that, and you've also mentioned about how there has been a delay on part of DMK on forming a committee of their own. Could you elaborate on that, sir?
So I can't elaborate on the reasons why the DMK hasn't formed a committee as yet. We on our part have formed a committee, a 5-member committee, which includes 3 people from the AICC and the CLP and the PCC president. So our 5-member committee is ready. And post that, all the MPs and MLAs from Tamil Nadu have also met the AICC leadership and have expressed our views. And the AICC said that let the committee have a discussion with the DMK. And the leader of the DMK parliamentary party, Mrs. Kanimari, also met the leader of the opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, in Delhi about 10 days ago. And they had a discussion. And we've been informed that that the committee will be formed by the DMK and our committee will meet with them. But till date, they haven't formed a committee. So it's really up to the DMK to explain why they haven't yet formed a committee to have formal talks with the Congress. There is no delay on our part. We are willing to be in the alliance, and that's the view of the AICC. But this can only progress after the DMK forms a committee.
Do you think the delay is causing more back and forth, bitter talks between the DMK and Congress? Because we are seeing a lot of leaders from both the parties make bitter statements against each other. So is this delay by DMK contributing to that?
See, I've said that also, that, if you start formal talks, this kind of barbs and comments which are coming out in social media will stop. Yeah. So really the ball is in the DMK's court. As I said, we have formed the committee, and I do accept the fact that there have been some intemperate comments from both sides. That's the nature of politics today in the era of social media. But if formal talks commence, I think all this will come to a